In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to add sound in Figma Prototype. If you've ever wanted your prototype to feel more realistic, adding subtle audio feedback, like notifications, alerts, or success tones, can make interactions clearer and more engaging. I'll walk you through how to find and use a popular plugin that provides ready-made sounds you can preview, download, and, with a paid option, connect directly to your prototype playback. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the prototype you want to enhance. Make sure you're in the file that contains your interactive flow. So when you test, you'll hear sounds in the right context. It helps to have your key screens and interactions set up before you add audio, because sound choices often depend on what the user is doing at each step. Next, look to the bottom of the Figma interface and click the action icon. This opens the panel where you can access resources. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the bottom toolbar until you find the icon that opens the searchable resources window. This is where you'll find plugins and widgets that extend what Figma can do. Inside that panel, choose Plugins and Widgets. This filters the view so you're only looking at tools that can run inside your file. Keeping it in this section ensures you'll find exactly what we need without extra clutter. In the search bar, type Figma SoundKit plugin. When it appears, select it. If you haven't used it before, you may see an option to install or run it. Go ahead and open it from here. The plugin loads in a side panel so you can explore audio without leaving your design. From here, you'll see categories such as notification, alert, and other common UI sounds. Click to preview a few so you can judge loudness, tone, and duration. Short, soft sounds tend to work best and won't overwhelm the user experience, so you can download individual sounds to keep in your asset library, which is great for documentation or sharing with teammates. If you want to plug those sounds directly into prototype playback within Figma, the plugin requires a paid version. That option lets your interactions trigger audio during testing, which is especially helpful for usability sessions or stakeholder demos. As you choose, aim for consistency. Use one tone for confirmations and a distinctly different one for errors, and keep volumes balanced so nothing spikes unexpectedly. And that's it. Simple, effective, and a big boost to realism in your prototype. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.